Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reschedule your US visa appointment. First of all, go to your official US Department of State visa appointment website and click on sign in. You will see this page. Log in using your username and password you have created. Originally book your appointment. If you cannot remember your password, just click on forgot password to reset it. Then log in. You will see your dashboard with your appointment details. This is a section which shows your current appointment information. Click on continue. Click on reschedule your appointment. After that, choose the location where you want to book your appointment. Once you select your location, you will see a calendar with available dates. Now, keep in mind that it is currently tough to find earlier dates. In some places, a wait time can be around 2 years or more, but don't worry, keep checking regularly and it is common for early dates to open up, giving you a better chance to get an earlier appointment. After you have chosen the new date and location, double check all your details and confirm. You will receive a confirmation email with your new appointment date and time. So make sure keep that handy, and that's pretty much it. That's how to reschedule your US visa appointment. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.